We are looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do these words differ one from the other? Well, they do in spelling and meaning, but they don't in pronunciation. They are homophones. They are to be pronounced exactly the same way as muscle, muscle. Pretty straightforward once you know one is a part of the body that you use for lifting things, the other is an animal, a shell. Muscle, muscle, the exact same pronunciation for both words. Muscle. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.